Hi, thanks for joining the course and welcome to your very first lecture on Python programming language. In this lecture, let's see how you can install the Python package through which you're going to be running your scripts throughout this course. And with that said, let's get started. So first off, open up your browser and go to python.org, and then you need to download a latest version of the package. Now if you're watching this video a bit later, you might have a different version, but for now the latest version is Python 3.5. And when you're downloading the Python versions, you might have to go through the release notes because it's going to specify the new improvements and also the bug fixes they've done in the previous versions. And it also does the libraries the version supports, because few version doesn't support certain libraries, so you might have to download the specific versions and then click on download Python 3.5. Now I'm not going to save this file on my system because I already installed the Python package, but you might have to save the file and then go through the installation process. Now once you have done the installation, you might see something like idle Python 3.5 32-bit. So just open that and then you should be seeing an interface like this. Now just type print, then two parentheses, and then within that two speech marks, and then type hello world. I'm not going to go to complicated stuff in this tutorial, just very basic and simple. Just type hello world and then press enter. Now if you see the output as hello world, then you're good to go. That means you've installed it properly. That's all for this lecture. Hopefully I'll see you in my next lecture by introducing you to numbers in Python.